Hi, it's Barry. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the March Cloth and Paper sub box. Let's get started. We've got a great new pad called the Week Overview, and it looks just like the left-hand side of a horizontal layout. So those of you that enjoy that will love having a pad handy to write things down on with that. And obviously this could be punched if your planner is tall enough. Next up is a package of inserts, which is a wellness bundle. It starts off with a cover sheet, and then you've got a wellness log, and there is a very good example in the back that shows you how to fill this out. And one of the things that you're going to want to use are these icon stickers, which are also in here, and they're in the color Aspen, and they're really nice. Anyway, back to this. So you've got the log using that. Then you get to your daily pages, and you've got areas for your goals, activities, affirmations, water intake, nutrition, etc. And they're double-sided. You've got lots of them, and I wasn't sure I was excited about this, but once I've looked at it, I think this is going to be really helpful. So instead of a package of journal cards like we would normally get, we have our typical, we've got the May card so that you have it in time so that you'll be able to use it. And also this ellipse, which is really neat, and it has a really nice texture to it. And of course the window cling. And when looking at this at first, I thought that it was going to be matte, but it actually has some shine to it. So this we've seen a lot of sneaks for. It's the overview dashboard, and it's white lettering on top, really nice. And I probably should have shown you this initially, but this is the wellness dashboard cover, and it's in vellum, very minimal, very nice. These half sticky notes are great. You can keep track of things, you can stick it other places in your planner, and I thought they were very cute. We all saw sneaks for this new pouch, and I love the size of this, and in an upcoming video I'll show you how I've decided to use it. We have another dashboard which is called a crosshatch, and it's got a Tom Rath quote on the front and then really neat graphics on the back. I love the double-sided dashboards because when you turn the page, you're not just looking at plain white. And now for the Penspiration Box. I absolutely loved the Penspiration Box this month. There were so many additional things and so many things I liked about it. So when you get the Penspiration Box, you always get this card, and it's blank. You can use it for any month. What's nice is it's very thin, and you can tuck it into an adhesive pocket or a pocket in your planner. The Penspiration board is my favorite. You're supposed to use it for testing your pens. I personally don't because they're too nice for that. I use many of them in my planners as dashboards. This one will definitely be going in my planner because I love black and white. And I'll probably try to get an extra one on the BST. I know I did last month. You have another nice thin journal card that came along with this, and I love the theme of the black and gray this month. So it was sneaked that the Arch sticky notes were going to be in with the Penspiration Box, and that was no surprise, and that's really a great color for those sticky notes. Now let's talk about the pens. So the pens come in a pouch, and you could keep your pens in the pouch. I'm not sure what other people do. I don't keep my pens in there, but I have been known to cut this out, punch it and use it as a dashboard. Let's start off with the pens. The first one is called the Appearance Power Pen, and I did a little sample of each one so that you could see how they write. This was incredibly smooth. You can see how fine that nib is. It's 0.5. Very, very comfortable writing because of the smoothness. The next one is the Deli Erasable. It came in 4 different colors. I was feeling very fortunate to get the gray one because that goes with my planner style. And this again was comfortable, very nice writing, and nice to be able to erase. This one is called the Gemstone Gel Pen, and it came in 4 colors, and I believe by looking at the colors that it came in that mine is the rose gold. And this also was comfortable. And I'm going to skip around. The last one is the Narita Gel Pen, and this was very comfortable to write with. It has a nice surface to it, which was very comfortable to the hand, and it also was very smooth in writing. And one thing I would mention too back here about the erasable one is that you click it on and you click it off. But the biggest surprise for me in the Penspiration box was this. It's a zebra pencil. Now, I am not a pencil person. I always use a pen. I literally never use a pencil. And so there have been some great pencils that have come in the Penspiration box, but I never get really excited by them because I don't use them. This one surprised me because it writes like a pen. I thought it was a pen when I tested it. I didn't realize it was a pencil. And you can see that there. I will be using that for sure. That was my favorite thing in the Penspiration box. Okay. So now I know you all have a question. Is there another giveaway on this? And yes, there is. One person will win one item from the box. I'm not saying which one it is. It's not the pencil, I'll tell you that much. Anyway, if you'd like to enter, like the video, be sure you're subscribed. Leave a comment below telling me if you get the box and what your favorite item is. The contest will end on April 5th. Check the following day to see if you won in the comments, and if so, be sure to send me your address either on my website, PlannerShop.com, there's a contact form, or over on Instagram in a DM within 24 hours. Thank you all for tuning in. See you next time around.